Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in again to Breezy Breed TV. We out here, period. If you decided to click on another one of my videos, thank you so much for the support. Today, we are going to be testing out the Kylie kit, Kylie Skin. We're gonna be testing out the Kylie Skin Clarifying Collection. So this will be my first time trying out a Kylie, I can't talk. This will be my first time trying out a Kylie product at all. So I'm expecting to be impressed, but then again, I don't know. I'm gonna give a full honest review on what I thought, and I'm gonna also do an unboxing on here so you guys can see kind of how it will come in a package to you if you bought it. This is the package that it comes in. Very normal, just a little pink package. It's cute. So let's open it. Okay, it says Kylie Skin, of course, and then you get this little card with her on it, and everything is in bubble wrap. So I am so excited for you to see what we have for you this year. XO Kylie. So we are gonna open it, and this is how it looks. All the products in here together. So we are gonna test out all of them. The face mask, the detox face mask, which I'm pretty excited about this one because I love a good mask, as y'all know. Next, we have the clarifying facial oil, which we will look into that one too. And then we have the face mask brush and the clear complexion correction stick. So here we go. This is the Kylie Skin Detox Mask. Okay, gonna open it. You're supposed to use these products with a clean face. So from first look, I like it. I like how the consistency of it. I've opened a lot of different masks and they were like thick. Looks like it'll lay on good. So this is the brush. Okay, feels soft, definitely soft on the skin right away. You're supposed to use it on your dry skin and leave it on for 10 to 30 minutes. So let me just get some with the brush. Using it, I already can feel how, like, it feels good. It's cooling, and that's why I want to put it under my eyes, because it's a cool, it'll probably get rid of a little bit of my bags that I have. I really like the packaging. Like, it's not glass, but it's like not plastic. It's like, I don't know, but I like it. And I do like this brush too. And I know that I'm doing a Kylie Skin review, but baby, I wanted to get my hands on that Fenty Skin as well. Like, I couldn't get Fenty Skin because when I went on there, literally it launched at midnight, I thought. And when I went on there at 12:24, it was sold out. And I was like, whatever. Okay, so it's not quite dry yet. I felt like maybe I should do it on my whole face just to get the full experience of the product in general. Just so I could do a thorough review on it, I need to do it on my whole face. I just thought about that and I was like, if I was watching a review, I probably would want the person to try it out the full way to get the full experience. So, and I had it on for 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna go another 10. My face is pretty much dry. I left it on for 20 minutes. And I'm just got a hot towel. I'm gonna start getting it off. My face does feel kind of like, of course, when you do a mask, like it feels tight. Like it feels tight. It's a little, like weird feeling. I have it off, and this is my face at first glance right after the detoxifying mask. It's supposed to make your face feel cleaner as well as refreshed. So yeah, my face, honestly, it does feel cleaner for sure. And on top of that, the detox mask really did leave a cool sensation to my face. I like that my face did not just dry out because I have dry skin, so a product that makes my face dry too, I cannot do it. So I'm glad that it doesn't look dry right off the bat, because usually my face will start to like ash up. So I'm glad that that didn't happen. But next we are gonna use the corrector stick, and we are gonna finish off with the facial oil. It helps targets desired areas and helps to gently exfoliate the skin. All right, so this is how this one looks. I do have a couple of problem areas on my skin that I probably would put this on. So let me see here. Right here. All these little dots. Right there too. Okay. I don't really have nothing on that side. So I added that on. That one is okay. I don't know what to say about that one. I'm just gonna leave the rest of my comments about the full thing at the end. So yeah, this is like drying, but it does feel a little tingly. Not sure why that is, but maybe it's because it's getting into my pores. So now that those spots are there, you can see that my skin is starting to get kind of dry. So it's the perfect time for the oil. So this is the oil. Okay, it is the clarifying facial oil, and you are supposed to dry to cleanse skin every morning and evening. Just simply for moisturizing and improving the appearance of texture and uneven skin tone. So it's supposed to help out with uneven skin tone and texture. So a little here and a little bit on each side. Okay. Have rolled into final thoughts on the products, and I'm just gonna go one by one. First, we had the detox mask. I'm just gonna go over some things that I liked, pros and cons. I liked the consistency of the mask, and then I also liked just the feeling of it is very cooling, and I liked that. Another pro is that it did make my skin feel clean afterwards. After taking it off, I actually could say that my skin did feel cleaner and more refreshed. With this one, I don't really have many cons for it. I don't have too many bad things to say. It was actually pretty good. I like masks, and I like anything that's gonna cleanse and refresh my skin in general. So I didn't see anything that was like bad, that was really a con about this. I really liked it. Okay, next we have the clear complexion correction stick. And this one, honestly, I don't have any pros about this because you don't need it. Even if it is some parts on your skin that are problem areas, I feel like you could do without this. No reason that I would ever use this. I get everybody has different skin, so you probably will use this stick, but me, I don't feel like I would even use this. So I would honestly say if you're gonna get it, maybe leave this one out because it's not needed. I don't have any pros about it, maybe other than the applicator. I really like the applicator, but and the packaging, I really like the packaging, but as far as needing it, I would have no use for this. So honestly, I could have left this out of the equation. So yeah. Last but not least, we have the facial oil. Now this, some of the pros is that it did hydrate my skin. Like I have it on right now and my skin is glowing. Like there's a glow with this oil. Like it's very nice, lays on the skin well. My face feels hydrated. My face feels very moisturized and I have dry skin. So this is perfect for me if I want to use it right before bed. It'll ensure that my skin is going to bed with moisture. So I do like that about this. It definitely got my face does not look ashy anymore. So I mean, this one I feel like is good to have. Some of the cons on this item is there's no good smell. And I'm sure a lot of people have sensitive skin, but there's no like good smell to it. It kind of smells like medicine, honestly. To me, it smells like medicine. Now, I'm not saying that it smells horrible, but it didn't smell good. So this is my face about 6 hours after using Kylie Skin. And I just want to point out how my face still has moisture in it. It doesn't look dry. Even under my eyes, it still feels smooth and soft. So yeah, I thought that was like a really big thing, that if a moisturizer can last so long and your face still looks good, then that is a plus in my book. And also I did want to point out as well, I of course wanted to do a test in the sun, because in the sun is where your skin really will glow. So a sun test was definitely needed for me to know if this was good. And I honestly think it's the detox mask and the facial oil that made my skin really pop and glow in the sun. So I absolutely love that. One con about this is I don't believe that it's worth $80. It's $75 and then $5 for the shipping. So I paid like $80.65 or something like that. So I don't believe it's worth $80, honestly. I feel like it probably could have been maybe a good $50 to $60. But other than that, I really did like how it looked on my face in the sun. Like the products really made my skin glow and shine bright. So I loved that. And yeah, I think that about sums it up for this video. Do I like the Kylie Skin products? Yes, I liked them. Some of them I could have done without, but if you have problematic skin or areas that you need help with, then these probably will work right for you. But to me, it just wasn't worth the $80. That's like the main thing. But other than that, thank y'all so much for watching. If you did last this long, definitely do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you've been thinking about getting the skincare kit, the Clarifying Collection, because I don't know, there's lots of pros and cons with it, but let me know what y'all think if you have it already. I would love to hear about it. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in again to Breezy Bree TV, and until next time, stay positive. Bye.